Good morning, class 6th. So today we are going to start with the question answers of this lesson. Yesterday we completed this, my greatest Olympic prize. We have completed the explanation of this lesson. We have started with the unit number 4 and this is the section number 1 of unit number 4. Today we are going to discuss the question answers. So today is 26th and Thursday. So what did Hitler childishly insist? So this is the vocabulary. Running high means especially strong. Going over on the boat means to go to extremes or to overreact. Startled, disturbed or alarmed. Qualifying to pass the exam. With your eyes shut means very easily, beyond, further than, ebb, flow away or instant, happening suddenly. These are the extra word meanings. So now we come to the question answers. Question number 1 I have already read for you. Hitler childishly insisted that his performers were the members of master race. Here, because Adolf Hitler childishly insisted that his performers were the members of the master's race. So this is the answer number 1. Up till here. And second question is, what was expected of Jesse Owens and why? क्या expect कर रहे थे लोग उनसे? Like, because he has set the world record of 26 feet 8.5 inches a year before, so everyone was expecting him to win that Olympic event easily, as he has been trained, sweated and disciplined himself for 6 years with the games in mind. So this is the answer number. From here you will get the answer number 2. It will be like this. So everyone expected him to win that Olympic event easily because a year before he had set the world record of 26 feet 8.5 inches. Moreover, he had trained, sweated and disciplined himself for 6 years with these games in mind. So write down this answer. Complete your notebooks, bache, fast. Next week we are giving you the surprise visit and teachers will be checking the English, all the notebooks. So your copies should be complete. Third question, what would happen if Jesse Owens had failed to control his angers? अगर उसने अपना गुस्सा नहीं कंट्रोल किया होता तो वो क्या करता, क्या हो जाता? An angry athlete is an athlete who will make mistakes, as any coach will tell you. So, an angry athlete will always make mistakes, right? And if he had failed to control his anger, he could not have qualified the trial jumps. He could not have qualified. He could not have qualified the trial jumps and would not be able to compete, would not be able to participate and would not be able to participate in the Olympic Games. So write down this answer. An angry athlete will always make mistakes, and if he had failed to control his anger, he could not have qualified the trial jumps and would not be able to participate in the Olympic Games. So answer number 4th. What did Luz Long do on the success of Jesse Owens in the finals? What he did, he congratulated him. So here it is. Luz Long shook his hand hard and gave him a broad smile, congratulating him. So Luz Long ने क्या किया था जब उसने जीता था इवेंट? उसने उसका हैंडशेक किया, हार्ड, shook his hand hard means अच्छे से हैंडशेक किया, gave him a broad smile and congratulated him. Answer number 5. Why has Luz Long been called a fine example of Coubertin's ideal? because Coubertin has told, he said that the important thing in the Olympic game is not winning but taking part. So Laslong was a fine example of Coubertin ideal, because according to him important thing क्या थी कि उसने participate किया. Winning is not that important. So he participated, that is the most important thing. That is why he is the fine example of Kotabin. The essential thing in life is not conquering but fighting well. हमें लड़ना चाहिए, हमें मैदान नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. हम जीतें या हारें, दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट थिंग, दैट इज़ अप टू द गॉड और योर हार्ड वर्क और योर फेट. बट इस डर से हमें मैदान नहीं छोड़ के जाना चाहिए. वी शुड फाइट वेल, वेदर वी कॉन्कर और वी फेल, दैट इज़ नॉट इन आवर हैंड, राइट. So who became the friend of Jesse Owens? Laslong. Where were the Olympic Games held in 1936? Berlin. Owens was an athlete and specialized in the long jump. Study the examples and make questions from the statements given below. Now we have to make statements here. Jesse Owens made mistakes because he was angry. So we have to make a question with the starting with the why. Why Jesse Owens made mistakes? Why Jesse Owens made mistakes? You write it here only. Hitler organized the Olympic Games in Germany. Now we have to start the question with where. Where did Hitler organize the Olympic Games? Long believed he was a real iron. What did the Long believe? Because we have to start with the question with the word what. So we will make the question, what did Long believe? They chatted for 2 hours that night. How long did they chat? Did के साथ हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगती है, तो यहाँ chatted नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे भी believe ही आएगा, फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगी. How did they chat that night? Long was sure that Owens would qualify for the finals. We have to start with the who. So who was sure that Owens would qualify for the finals? Long was sure. So answers are given and we have to form the questions. So you write down here only. Now here, look at these sentences. I felt a hand on my shoulder. He offered me a firm handshake. I draw a line full foot behind the board. So these are all known as the noun clauses because they are the objects of the verbs felt, offered, drew and respectively. Like I drew a line of full foot behind. इसमें verb क्या है? Drew. तो ये क्या है? ये objects हैं verbs के. A line a full foot behind the board. So noun clauses क्या होते हैं बच्चे? They usually answer the question what. For example, Owens told me. Now what he told you? The question is what? That he was going to take part in the Olympics. Okay, so this part is the noun clause. That part which makes you ask yourself the question what is the noun clause. Now underline the noun clauses. I was announced. What? That Owens had won. This is the noun clause. I wonder what is making that noise. So what? I wonder what? What is making that noise? Show me how you solve that problem. Show me what? How you solve the problem. We know that earth is round. So we know what? We know that earth is round. They say the earth is warming up. They say what? They say that earth is warming up. So all these the underlined words are the noun clauses. Here we have to add the prefixes in the wordception. We have to write the words and we have to form sentences. So this you will do it yourself. ये आप खुद करेंगे. ये आपने खुद फॉर्म करने. मैंने आपको वर्ड्स बनाकर दे दिए. Reception, deception, exception, perception, inception. Now you have to use them in your sentences by your own. ये आपने खुद करने हैं. कल मैं आपसे पूछूंगी या आप मुझे ये सेंड कर दीजिए इमेज अपना काम करके. The following phrases have been used in the passage. Look up for the meaning in the good dictionary and then use them in your sentences. To have an eye on means to watch or look at someone very carefully. तो ये तो इसका मीनिंग हुआ और अब हम इसको सेंटेंस में कैसे यूज़ करेंगे. मेक श्योर यू हैव गॉट एन आई ऑन दैट पॉट और इट माइट बॉयल ओवर यू. तो मैंने आपको इसमें सेंटेंस भी बना के दे दिया है. अब आपकी ड्यूटी जो है कि मैम आपको सारा काम रेडी दे रही हैं, तो इट इज़ योर ड्यूटी टू फिनिश योर वर्क इन नोटबुक्स एज वेल एज इन योर बुक्स. To win hands down means to win by large amount. The team confidently expected to win hands down. To be hot under the collar means angry or resentful. So when I suggested he was mistaken, he got hot under the collar. To set a record means to achieve something no other person has achieved. She set a record for the most sales in the history of the company. A broken heart means a state of extreme grief. His son died of a broken heart. Bachche, I am telling you again and again, don't take it for granted. I am giving you everything ready. So it is your duty to finish your notebooks as well as your books. और अगर आप नहीं करते हैं तो ये आपकी बहुत गलत बात है. मैम आपको हर चीज़ रेडी करके दे रही है. ये अब आपकी ड्यूटी है कि आपने ये सब काम ख़त्म करना है. रीड द न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइंस and complete the sentences below. Do not copy the whole sentence. MS Dhoni has been awarded Khel Ratna for the year 2008 for his excellent performance in the cricket. Times of India. Eagerly awaited 40th National Games to be held in Delhi were put off by 2 weeks following pressing due by the athletes. So with this we have finished up till page number 69. ये हमने आज ख़त्म कर दिया. This is finished. I am writing each and everything on which date I started and which date I completed. So don't lie with me. Don't speak a lie. Whatever I am doing, sending you the work, complete it in your books as well as in your notebooks. Because we have to complete your syllabus very fast as you people are lagging behind.